Our goal is to double the size of this shop. Over here, I did my cabinets, just finished those, so we're ready to renovate this place. So I have maximum space for my wood shop. And the missus over here is here to help me out because she has some objectives as well. What's that?
I hate a messy garage. I hate anything messy. So I need organization. I need this to get cleaned up.
Follow along because who knows what's going to happen. Shenanigans may ensue. Either way, we're going to have a great time doing it. And this garage is going to get a whole lot sexier. Let's do this.
We need to tackle something over here. Come on. I don't know if you can see all this. We need to move or take this all to the Salvation Army because I cannot work with this here. This needs to be taken down. With having so many kids, having a house, things we don't use anymore, it comes out here throughout the year. And since the garage has gotten so messy, we've kind of just left it here. We need to take care of this. It's gross. We have bags and bags and bags. Let's get some more. I can hand you some stuff here.
What do these go to?
Oh, that's trash. This is kind of broken. Knocking things over. I'm feeling better already. Trash. This should be trash.
Well, to be honest, I'm a nature freak. I love to walk through the woods and talk to the animals. Don't tell anybody that.
Just gonna throw that away. Well, no spiders. No spiders.
Can we get rid of this easel?
That's why we need to ask Tia because she used to use it.
She's not going to use it. We're not keeping it.
Let me see here. I love this. This was in the girls' room, but I don't think Tia wants this. Let me go see.
Wow, the garage feels so much bigger already.
This is like a lot of stuff.
This is a lot of stuff. It's like, where does it come from?
No.
Stuff we ever even needed?
I also have been trying to just if I don't use it within a certain amount of time, I'm not gonna probably ever use it.
Yeah, what is this, a safe?
To be honest with you.
$5. And we'll do it like that. Ta-da! All right, let's go.
I have been looking forward to this 6 months. It's 6 months because you've had all these other projects going on. So we're finally doing this. And I think I've asked, how often do I ask you? Like all the time. When are you gonna be ready to do our garage? I am very excited. I will be starting the nursing program January 8th. For me, I need organization. I function better that way. Knowing that the house is all done and organized, if the garage is organized, I feel like I can function better. My mind thinks clearer. When things are put in its spot, I can think clearer. And then it's something I don't have to worry about for the next 2 years. The garage is clean, the house is clean and organized. Oh, someone's there. All right, thank you, you too. All right, what's next?
Let's load up those cabinets.
All right, let's do it.
All right, this is mostly my stuff, so if we just get this, if we can clear out as much as we can here and get it in those cabinets, we can eliminate these shelving racks. Just start grabbing stuff.
You just want me to grab whatever?
Just grab whatever.
Okay. See, my organizational, if you notice how I grab things like all the paint cans, these go together. That's how my brain functions. But this is gonna be so satisfactory when it's all done, you know?
Satisfying, you mean?
Satisfactory, that's what I wanna say, satisfactory.
We have stuffed so much of my crap in these cabinets, and I couldn't be more thrilled with how it's going. She's been a huge help, and how are you feeling about this?
I am so excited, it's looking good.
Pretty pumped, I gotta admit. Next, we got to deal with this side over here. We got some stuff still to get rid of. We might be giving stuff out to the community and maybe to Salvation Army, but I know this doesn't look pretty up here, but it's a storage space, and for now it's going to be there. It might come with some more ideas, and I'm going to be putting some stuff underneath here as well until my miter saw station's built sometime in 2024. But for now, let's get started on this side. We need to clear this entire wall off and make room for my large tools, my bandsaw, my jointer, and whatever else I put here.
And I think that we should, as we're getting rid of this stuff, ask the neighborhood if they would like any of this for free.
Some of our neighbors have lawns, and these tools would be helpful to them. We have synthetic grass now, which is awesome,
Yes.
and we're getting rid of this stuff. So
We don't need this anymore.
this lawnmower's got to
Go. That's done. This we can post for free, and if someone wants, if not, we'll just take it to Goodwill. This just needs to be trashed. Look at the tape, the seat's all taped.
We need to figure this out. We've cleared these shelves out. What's the plan?
We're going to keep these shelves. We're keeping 2, and we're giving 1 to our son Chandler. We're gonna take everything off these shelves, transfer those shelves over here and give them to people in the neighborhood for free. Put 2 of these back on that wall.
So we're just gonna keep these, get rid of those.
Yeah.
In the end, we'll have basically, of the 5, we'll only have 2.
2.
Cool. I am way too embarrassed to show you what's on that side of the garage because it's a complete disaster.
To me, this situation is a blood-soaked, nightmarish hellscape.
But let's focus on what actually looks good. So totally thrilled with this space that we're developing here. Everything's cleared out and we are ready to put up these upper deck storage that's gonna be connected to the ceiling. They're 4x8 and they're totally awesome, fingers crossed.
Yes, and we really can't move forward until we could get these racks up on the ceiling. We're gonna take everything that's on the other side of this camera, put it up on these racks, and that way we can start working on that side of the garage.
Teamwork?
Makes the dream work.
Well, I got 1 done. Did I say I did 1? I meant I did 2. Numbers are hard. Before we load up these storage racks, I got another little project that I'm gonna do. But before I tell you about that, I know earlier I said I didn't want to show you what's on the other side here
Oh, no.
because it's such a mess, but you're the viewership and I owe it to you just to see exactly what we're dealing with here. This is nothing to be proud of, but in order to make this area look good, we had to make this area look bad. But because we have these up here, that's what's going to help clear a lot of this out because it's going up there. Before we get to that, I have a storage problem and solution. Problem, ladders. 1 there, 1 there. I got a pulley system that we're going to put up there to store those ladders. On Amazon, like 40 bucks. It was super cheap. I don't want to see these ladders. I want them out of the way. I want easy access to them, and I want my shop to be my shop and only my shop. I'm getting a little greedy. I'm getting a little selfish. I'm willing to spend money on storage solutions that are going to solve that problem. So I'm going to do that first, and after I'm done with that, we're going to load these up and clean out that area over there. So come along with me. I showed this to our kids who live out of state, and I got nothing but comments about how it looks like a booby trap. Tell me your thoughts. But one thing for sure, Mrs. Sawdust isn't so set on putting the green ladder up there because sometimes when I'm gone, she has to use it, and she doesn't feel so comfortable having to take that thing up and down when I'm not here, which I totally understand. The directions on this thing say that if you're lifting, let's say 50 pounds, it feels like 25. But with those thin little ropes, sometimes if you are not very strong, that might be a problem. Otherwise, This thing is awesome. So later on, we might find somewhere else to store that green ladder. In the meantime, let's load those up. It's our first thing. Good jump. Try again. What if I get this hand out? Ready? So we're facing the camera. Ready? This is my new workshop. I've doubled the space. We've organized it completely. And I have to say, with this much free space in the middle, all these ideas are flooding to my mind about what I can do and what my potential is in this shop. This is just the beginning. And as you can see, there is a lot more that we can do with this space. I need so much more in this shop, but it's little by little.
And I couldn't be happier to have everything up above here in these rafters. And then what we do have left are on the shelves below. I'm not stumbling over everything, and everything has a place and a purpose. So that makes me happy.
It feels good to be clean, and I bet it feels good for you to watch this video right here, because I'm gonna give you a full first time ever shop tour of this brand new renovated shop. Click on the video and I'll see you on the flip side.
I feel like a dork.